Shocks and struts replacement. Denton, Texas. For Honda, Toyota, Acura, Lexus, Nissan and Infiniti vehicles. Experiencing a bit of a bounce to your car or truck lately? Does it feel more like you're riding a horse than it does like driving? If your car bounces up and down as you ride, or when you brake, your car takes a nosedive forward, or when you speed up, your rear takes a downward dive in the back. These are signs that your shocks and struts need to be replaced. This will make your ride much smoother and more enjoyable, but also save your vehicle from bump and grind damage that would occur otherwise. With a healthy set of shocks and struts, you can expect 30,000 to 50,000 miles at least. Letting your suspension go can lead to much more damage. It can affect tire wear, brake efficiency and wear, your ability to drive steadily, your gas mileage and the way your anti-lock brake responds. All of these can turn out to be not only dangerous, but they can lead to a much bigger automobile repair invoice. All About Imports makes getting your shocks and struts, like everything else, a very simple and easy process. Give All About Imports in Denton, Texas a call today at 940-566-2125.